Have you ever seen window film peeling just days after installation? Most clients blame the installer, but the truth often lies elsewhere. Why does window film peel? Let us break it down from three perspectives: materials, process, and usage environment. Many films use PET with high shrinkage. Once heated, it pulls the adhesive and causes edge lift. If the adhesive has low tack or is uneven in thickness, the edges simply won't stick well. Insufficient baking or uneven pressure can cause the adhesive to fail bonding with glass. If the glass isn't thoroughly cleaned, dust or oil residue will prevent strong adhesion. If the film faces heat, rain, or direct sunlight before the adhesive cures, peeling becomes likely. Raising or lowering windows within 72 hours can exert stress that pulls the edges up. So how do we fix it? First, choose low, shrinkage PET base films, preferably reinforced with nano fillers. Second, apply high-tack acrylic adhesives and UV stabilizers to resist aging. Third, standardize installation, control pressure, baking time, and cleanliness precisely. And finally, no window movement or cleaning within 72 hours. Educate your client. Edge peeling is not a single cause issue. It's the result of materials, process, and environment combined. Fixing this pain point is the first step toward happier clients and fewer returns. Follow us for weekly deep dives into film performance, so you can sell smarter with confidence.